Today I am going to show how to assemble a Foldscope. I am already unboxing all materials from the Foldscope bag and also isolated all essential parts from the Foldscope sheet. This is our first part and this is our second one and this is our third and fourth one, which are isolated from this Foldscope sheet which was found in our Foldscope bag. Okay friends, now there are also a lens bag in which lens of the Foldscope and other three parts were found. These are the parts. Okay, this is our lens of the Foldscope, kept here very carefully. Now we start our first test, which is known as lens test. We take the first part of the Foldscope and take one part of the lens bag. Now attached here like this. This blue color is our front side and the yellow color side is our back side. So we attach it in our front side like this. Turn the side smoothly and enter into the hole like this. Like this. Okay friends. This like we will test another part in the bottom of the first part. Okay friends, in the bottom of the part and in the back side of the part we attach the second part. Like this, slightly turned and enter into the hole. Okay friends, now fold it here like this, fold it here and enter the side like this into the hole of the first part. Okay, ready? Now it is time to attach our lens in this portion. For attaching the lens, we remove a sticker. We remove a sticker from the sticker sheet. And attach here smoothly and remove the white cover. Okay, like this, remove the white cover and now attach. It is time to attach our lens. Before attaching, now wash the lens with this brush smoothly, very smoothly. Now attach here like this. Okay friends, now we completed our lens test. Now we are going to our second part. Here the second part was folded by this way and make our lens box like this. Okay, our lens box is ready. Our focus box is ready. Now enter into this hole like this. Okay, ready? Now we are going to our final stage. In our final stage, we take our third part and fold it here like this and enter into the hole like this. Okay, now take our fourth part and arrange it according to their color. The light green color is our front side, so attach them according to their color and enter this part into the hole like this. Okay, slightly turn and enter into the hole. Okay, now enter in this way and this way. Okay, ready? Now attach our first and second part into our final part like this, and enter our edge part into here and bottom part into here. And now ready our Foldscope. Okay friends, cover it here and slightly up down and right side left side, and this is the measurement of our focus, and like this we observe any microscopic specimen in this Foldscope. Thank you friends for watching our video.